guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, as you can see by the title or behind me, we've got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL. We're going to be doing a front bumper on the front of it. It's going to be a fabricated bumper, changing the whole look of the front of this Jeep, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned to the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, we're going to be changing a front bumper on my girlfriend's 2021 JL Jeep Wrangler. We're going to take the front bumper off, show you guys how to do that, and then show you the aftermarket one and how to put that one on if you're wanting to know how to do this, or if you're a Jeep guy, Jeep girl, person, whatever. If you have a Jeep Wrangler and want to learn how to do this, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and get into removing this bumper and showing you guys what to do. There's two bolts, one right here and one right there that we got to get this little skid plate off. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a bolt right back there where that sensor is, right there, and then there's another bolt on the other side, and then I'll show you underneath here. There's two bolts here on the sides, two on the other side here, and then up here that you need to remove the rest of this bumper. So I'll show you guys me doing that now. Alright, here we go. We got the bumper right here. It's called Nilight. I have no idea. This company, Nilight, something like a mountain, but let's go ahead and show you guys what we got inside. Comes with the directions. Who needs those? And it's got the bumper. This comes with two LED cubes and a light bar. So I'm going to pull it out now and show you guys what it looks like. Here's the light bar, all wrapped up. We're not going to use this yet though. So as you all can see, this is the bumper with the new skid plate mounting bracket. This is what the front of it's going to look like when we go to install it. Fucking 11%. I don't understand this camera. Alright, so I completely forgot to put our light bar on the front of the bumper, so I had to take it off, and my camera died while I was putting the front bumper back on while I was tying the bolts. So I'm going to show you guys how to put the light bar on, or show me putting the light bar on. So let's go ahead and let's do that right now. just finished putting on the bumper. Sorry about my camera dying a few times while I was recording, but I'm going to show you guys the front of this bumper on this Jeep because it just came out really, really good. So as you guys can see, we got this Jeep looking so much better. In my opinion, it really brings the front end of my girlfriend's Jeep together. Link in the description to end lighting for all your aftermarket bumper needs for Jeeps. I believe they go from 12 all the way up to 2021. Go check them out. Get you a bumper for your Jeep if you're a Jeep fan. And this is pretty much going to wrap the video up here. Remember, like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below if you like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.